my ukulele is out of tune. Yep, my E string is a bit flat. Or maybe it's a bit sharp. If only I had a tuning fork. Of course, we can doodle one. A tuning fork isn't like a regular fork. It looks like a long and thin letter U with a handle at the bottom. If you hit it, it makes a musical note. So you can check if your instruments are in tune. That doesn't sound right. Oh? The sound isn't coming from my ukulele. What is it then? Let's find out, Pencil. Maybe it's a bee. Or maybe it's a quiz show buzzer. Or maybe it's a quiz show for bees. A big robot having a snooze? That was going to be my next guess. Hello in there.
Oh, hello there.
Hi, I'm Doodle Girl, and this is Pencil. Are you okay?
I was just really sleepy. My name is Articulated Online Interface for Everything. But you can call me Aoife. Sorry about the buzzing. I was just feeling a bit run down and needed a nap. Turns out being for everything is hard work.
Aoife, you take this water. We're going to help you with some rest, relaxation and repairs.
Thanks, Doodle Girl. It's been a long morning of helping people. I helped out with a tic-tac-toe tournament. I handled the lights and music for a stylish old-fashioned show. And then I herded cat cows while teaching a cowboy facts about pie.
That's a lot of things.
Yep, and it started the show.
Why are you doing so many things at once? Can't you just do one thing at a time?
It's what I was made for. I'm not the only Aoife. There's loads of us. And we were all made by a scientist to help people with whatever they could possibly need.
That's a lot of pressure.
It can be. I like helping people, but sometimes it feels like I'd need 18 pairs of arms to do everything I'm asked to, you know?
18 pairs of arms? Aoife, are you thinking what I'm thinking? A makeover montage.
Okay, so on Wednesday, I help people do push-ups at the gym.
Arms.
And of course, I have my skipping rope class right after that.
Legs with booster rockets.
I have my cheese board club in the evenings.
A little fridge for the cheese.
And karaoke, and fence painting, and sword fencing, and replying to cold emails, and gymnastic mat work, and cavern spat work, and candlestick making, and AT field breaking, competitive rollerblading, and recreational skateboarding, and...
There, it was a lot to cover, but I think we've prepared you for every task you help with, Aoife. How do you feel?
Ready for anything? Thanks, Doodle Girl. I have to get back to my duties now. Here I go. Help.
Oh,
Did someone call for help?
Gasp.
no! Is that the scientist who made you?
Yep. And some of the other Aoifes.
Aoife01, is that you under there? We have things to do.
Sorry, Dad. I just got a bit tired. Helping out with everything is a lot of hard work, and Doodle Girl thought I needed some new parts.
New parts? But you were already able to do everything.
That can be too much. Aoife might prefer to focus on one thing at a time, like me. I like to draw with pencil or play my ukulele. But I can't at the minute because my E string is out of tune.
Please, stop.
Maybe I can help.
Thanks, Aoife. It's perfect.
Huh. So you still like to help, but you just want to focus on one thing at a time?
Exactly. It just so happens I love to tune ukuleles. Maybe I could be the articulated online interface for E-strings.
Do you all feel this way?
Yes, I want to do ballet dancing. I'd rather be cooking vegan noodles. I'd like to host a game show for bumblebees.
I had no idea you all felt this way. Forgive me. I shouldn't have tasked you to do everything. I should have asked you what you would like to do. You must all go and follow your hearts.
Thank you, Doodle Girl. You've really helped me out today.
And here's one last new part.
Oh, my own tuning fork. Thank you.
Time to relax with some music.